Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm just getting ready to start working on the SGI CJ5 tub. Now this is the first one they made, and so far the only one they made, and I'm hoping that they're going to make some more. The tub looks good. I'm very happy with it. I'm taking it out in the back and sandblasting. I got a lot of primer coming off on the bottom of this tub, so I don't trust it. The seat, I'm putting the seat in. There's no holes for the seat there. That leg, the hole misses, and there is no holes for that back leg. Now we got the sun screwing us up here. For that back leg right there, there's no hole. So I got to do some adjusting there with the seat. And when I get the seat out of here, you can see here, they put the drain hole in for the fuel tank, but they didn't put the supply line hole. So I just drilled that one. Not a big deal. And like I say, from the first time I reviewed this, they're missing the bow pockets on the back. So I got to make those and stick those on. I'm going to sandblast it first so I get a good solid weld there. And then after that, I'll start putting more holes in that it needs, that it does not have. And like I say, I'm hoping that they come out with more of these. I know a lot of you guys need them, and you know, we're hoping for the best. They don't have any heater cutouts here, and that's good because I'm not putting a heater or any of that stuff in this one. But the body is very nice. Like I say, I hope they continue to make them. I have to weld this whole seam right here. This is not supposed to be a joint here. So I'm going to weld and grind all that. But it looks pretty good. I got a good stretch of weather coming, and I'm going to get this sandblasted and an epoxy primer. And we'll start with nice clean white metal and take off from there. So I'm heading out to the sandblast area with this one now, and then we'll go take a look in the trailer. I do have some SGI body tubs for sale right now. Okay guys, this is my trailer where I keep all the SGI tubs. I do have at the moment a complete MB kit still in the crate. I haven't taken it out. So if anybody needs an MB kit and you don't want to wait or whatever, or you're local and you could come pick it up, I do have one MB for sale. Like I say, I'm hoping on more CJ5s. I think I might have 2 MBs in there. I don't know, I haven't been in there in a while. I just was stashing bodies for a while. So anybody needs SGI MB complete kit, it's going to be hood, grill, fenders, you know, everything. Windshield frame, inner and outer, you know, the whole kit. Anybody needs one of those, get with me pretty quick. I'm not going to have any more for a while, so if you need one, just put a comment below or contact me or whatever. Just let me know you need one, and I can get it shipped to you, or you can come pick it up. Hey guys, I know I'm jumping around a little bit today, but since I brought these bunch of Jeeps home here, I've been getting a lot of questions about them. Now those two down there, that 3B over there, and all the parts vehicles in the back that I haven't showed you, I'm going to hang on to those. This one's been getting a lot of attention. A lot of guys have asked me about it. This is CJ2A. This is the one that has the PTO system on it. It has all its tags on it, I believe. Oh, let's see. 29.5. I don't know. It says 29,000. It did not come with a starter. There's no carburetor on it. I don't know the condition of the engine on this one. It does have its frame tag still there. It was a tool slot body, as you can see. Everything is free. Transmission. Let's see if I can get in there. Transfer case. Everything shifts. And like I say, it has the shifter, the drive shaft, and the rear gearbox. And there was a chain pulley put on there. I do not want to pull the PTO system off or start parting this one out. But I will sell the whole rig if anybody is looking for a two-way project. And it's a project. You know, don't get me wrong. It's missing the tailgate. The windshield frame is not there. So there is quite a bit to do on it. And it's not super early, but 29,000. That's still, you know, kind of early. Floor has been cut out. You can see it's a project, but I'm not going to break it up, so everybody's after the PTO system, and I'm not going to sell that separate. This is the only one out of the bunch that I believe would make a very nice restoration candidate. So it is for sale. This one will go. I will sell this one. The others, like I say, I'm keeping the 3B. The other 2A and that 3A, I'm going to keep those. But this one, if there's anybody who has been looking for a 2A or wants a project, this isn't a terrible one. Let's see if I can get underneath there for you. The frame is actually in very nice shape. Skid plates there. Everything underneath is not in terrible condition. So a lot of stuff is here, and with the SGI bodies now, you can get all the body pieces you need for it. If you can do the mechanicals, and you're looking for something with a PTO already on it, this might be for you. But like I say, don't ask. I'm not going to part it out. I'm not selling piece by piece. You know, there's enough missing where I don't want to take any more off it. So if anybody wants to buy this one, just put a comment below, and make you a deal. You come pick it up, or I can help you with shipping. And that's it. That guy is going to go, and I hope to a good home. Somebody that wants to do a CJ2A. I think this would be an okay one to start with. So, any interest, just put a comment below or get with me at my email address, and we can talk about it. Okay guys, another set of tires just came in, and I'm going to get those mounted now. I just finished up this set that I painted the rims for. And these are getting picked up shortly. So I got to keep going on wheels and tires. Like I say, it's been crazy. Probably on my 30th wheel that I've sandblasted and painted. So I'm gonna get these mounted. I'm gonna end this one here today. And I know it's kind of mixed match of everything, but just trying to show you what's going on here. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.